Hello, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
So today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students are there. So today I am going to show you. Can you see the computer screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have given you this set of questions in WhatsApp group. Have you seen them?
Yes, sir.
So can you solve all of these? Not tried yet. Okay. So today I'll be giving you some solutions. So I'll Saurabh Soni is again joined class. Now see, you can, don't worry, questions are there in WhatsApp group. You can see there, and from there I have picked up 3-4 questions for solution. And those who have missed previous classes, they should join app, and through the app you can see previous classes also. You just scroll back the date. Today is like 23 Baisakh. You go back. In past 2 days, I have not posted any class. So I think it is on 19, 17, 15. So if you go back in the app, you can watch previous classes also if they are not deleted yet. And if you request, I can post them again because I have every record in my laptop. So today, see one of the questions, like it is 16A. Okay, the 16A questions you can find in WhatsApp group also. Like you have to prove cot A plus 45 degree. Should I zoom it? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Saurabh, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is a question that you have to prove cot A plus 45 degree minus tan A minus 45 degree equal to 2 cos 2A upon 1 plus sin 2A. So let us see. It's simple. So whatever angle is there, cot you write in terms of cos and sin. Tan, sin by cos of that angle, A minus 45. Then take LCM. Okay. There, so are you observing the movement of cursor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is taking LCM. So this denominator will go with this numerator. This denominator will go with this numerator. So now, if you observe carefully, you have two categories of angle: A plus 45, another is A minus 45 degree. So you can apply cos A cos B minus sin A sin B formula. Is it?
Yes, sir.
And we have inserted 2 in numerator and denominator for next step. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos A minus A plus B. Is it? So 2 cos A means A plus first category of angle, A plus 45 degree, and B means second category of angle, A minus 45 degree. Our denominator is 2 sin A sin cos B, sin and cos. 2 sin A cos B. A means A plus 45, B means A minus 45. Now here 45 cancelled, A plus A will become 2A. So it is here. This step was mistake, so I rubbed it. But 2 cos 2A. A denominator, again there is another formula. 2 sin A cos B can be written as sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Remember it? Formula 2 sin A cos B is equal to what? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So we have done that. 2 means this. For the moment, suppose A plus 45 as A and A minus 45 as B. So sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. You know, if A minus 45 is subtracted, it will become minus A plus 45. Now see, both the bracket, in this bracket 45 cancel, in this bracket A cancel.
A
What is
cancel.
left now? So 2 cos 2A by sin 2A means here A plus A is sin 2A and 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. And you know sin 90 degree is 1. So in this way, RHS.
Correct.
got. Now another solution.
Ujjwal Babu.
Now see the question. The question was 2 tan alpha equal to 3 tan beta. This is given. And you have to prove tan alpha minus beta equal to sin 2 beta by 5 minus cos 2
Cos
beta.
2 beta.
So now, so we will start from this given 2 tan alpha equal to 3 tan beta. 2 tan alpha equal to 3 tan beta. So you can write tan alpha equal to 3 by 2 tan
3 by 2.
Yes.
Now let us start from this LHS, tan alpha minus beta. So tan A minus B formula, tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Now you see in RHS, this RHS, there is no alpha, only beta is there. So we will replace this alpha. So tan alpha can be replaced with 3 by 2 tan beta. Is it? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in place of tan alpha, we will write 3 by 2 tan beta. In denominator also this tan alpha 3 by 2 tan beta. Rest are same. Now let us go to next page. So where we are left in that page, should we? Is the letter clear?
Yes, sir.
So taking LCM, 2 was LCM, so 3 tan beta minus 2 tan beta by
2.
Denominator 2 plus 3
2 plus
tan beta
3
tan beta will become tan square beta
tan
by
square
2. So this 2 and 2 cancel. So what is left? 3 tan beta minus 2
Tan beta
tan
minus
beta
tan
is
beta.
tan beta and 2
by
plus 3 tan
tan
square beta. Now change into sine and cos. Tan beta is sine beta by cos beta. 2 plus 3 tan square beta is sine square beta by cos square beta. So again
Cos
take
square beta.
LCM. Numerator is same. Denominator here cos square beta is LCM. 2 cos square beta plus 3 sin square beta equal to See, 1, 2, 3, 4 steps are there. So you know how to convert multiplication division into multiplication. This
Yes, sir.
lowermost denominator will go with upper one. Sin beta into cos square beta
Cos
upon
beta.
Cos square beta
cos
and
beta into
cos
2 cos square beta
2
plus
cos square beta
2
plus
cos
3
cos
sin square beta.
3
here
1
I
minus
have changed one. Here one bracket is missing, so while you doing, put here a square bracket.
okay
2 cos square beta, there was plus 3 sin square beta. So I have converted into 3 into 1 minus
minus cos
cos
square
square.
beta
Cos square beta.
Here this cos beta and this cos square beta, one cos
so
beta cancelled. So what is left? Sin beta cos beta
sin
upon
beta
2 cos square beta. Here remove bracket, inner bracket, 3 into 1, 3 minus
1
3 cos square beta.
square beta
Now, so 3 sin numerator same, sin beta cos beta. 3, this number 3, 2 cos square beta minus 3 cos square beta is minus cos square beta.
minus cos square beta
Now multiply 2 in numerator and denominator. The numerator will be 2 sin beta cos beta upon 3
6
to the
minus 2
6
cos square beta.
minus 2 cos square.
2 cos square beta.
So here one change we will do 2 sin beta cos beta, 6 as 5 plus 1. Is it? 6
Yes,
means
sir.
we can write 5 plus
5 plus
1
1.
minus 2 cos square beta. Now see, 2 sin beta cos beta is sin beta, sin 2 beta, and 5 is separate. In these two, take minus common, opposite side. So it will be, in bracket, it will be plus 2 cos square beta minus 1. So you know, you can understand these tricks. And 2 cos square beta is simply here. See, I'll read you just sin 2 beta upon 5 minus, and this bracket is cos 2 beta.
Cos 2 beta.
Cos 2 beta. It did not come in photo, so you can do it. Okay. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is this part. Now third, I have posted one more solution. Let us see. This is 19a. Okay. See, 8, 1 plus sine pi by 8, it is in radian, pi by 8, here 19a, this is the question, and finally you have to prove this is equal to 1. Okay, so see what we can do. The first bracket is same, in second bracket 3 pi has been written as 4 pi minus
4
pi.
pi minus pi
Here 5 pi has been written as 4 pi plus pi. 7 pi has been written as 8 pi minus pi. Because we have to change forms in a suitable way. So 8, the first bracket is same. In second bracket, sine 4 pi by 8, 4 to the 8, so it will be pi by 2 minus pi by 8.
pi by
Is it here? Also 4 pi by 8 means
4
pi by 2
pi by
plus
2
pi by 8.
pi by 8
Here 8 pi by pi is pi. 8 pi by 8 will be only pi
pi
minus pi by 8. Is it?
yes
Are you getting?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next line. 8 into 1 plus sine pi by 8. Here it is pi. Sine pi by 2 means 90 degree. Sine 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. So you can write
Yes,
it as cos pi by 8. Sine 90 degree plus theta is also cos theta. So 1 minus cos pi by 8. Sine 180, pi means 180 degree. Sine 180 minus theta is sin theta. So 1
theta.
minus sine pi by 8.
Pi
Now
by 8.
observe these 4 brackets. 1 plus sine pi by 8, 1 minus sine pi by 8. 1 plus cos pi by 8, 1 minus cos pi by 8. So in pairs, we can write them using formula of algebra a plus b into a
A
minus.
minus B.
So first and last bracket, it will be 1 minus sine
1
square pi
minus.
by 8. Is it?
Mm.
1 square is
Yes.
1.
Yes, sir.
Second and third bracket, it will be 1 minus cos square pi by 8.
Pi by 8.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. Is it? Now here we will do certain modification. 8 as 2 into 2 square. Is it 8? 2 into 2 square.
2 into 2.
2 here in bracket 2. Here there is a square. So 2 square means 4 into 2, it is 8. And
Yes, sir.
sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 under a square means this square is collective for 2 pi by 8 and cos pi by 8. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this outer 2 is outside. 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So twice of pi by 8 will become pi by 4. Is it? So
Yes,
2
sir.
sine square pi by 4. Pi by 4 means it is 45 degree. Sine 45 degree, you know value 1 by root
Root
2.
2. Square root 2.
A square is there. So 1 by root 2 with a square. So 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel, finally 1.
Answer is 1.
This is RHS. So these three,
Choice.
how many solutions were there? I have given you. I will also post in our virtual class. So if you cannot get it, I will post it there also. You can see them clearly. And today, now I am stopping share. How many are there? Altogether 8 students are there. Only 8 out of 34. So now you all unmute. Who is disconnected? So have you understood today's solutions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Melissa. So now what you have to do, see in WhatsApp group I have posted questions and these are the solutions from those questions. There are many more questions and I have also given some solutions in previous classes. So observe them carefully. Now you are responsible students of class 10. So go through it. So you know, I don't need to repeat. This is very difficult time. We are in lockdown situation and you know, you should be watching television news, newspapers, maybe online newspapers, and you be aware with the condition of our country. So there is suspicion schools cannot open even for months. So we have to develop habit to attend online classes. You know, we too, being a teacher, we should also change our style now. You know, take half an hour class, it requires 2 hours work preparation. So be serious, utilize your time well. So within this lockdown period, if we can complete 25% or 20% of the class, it will be quite beneficial and it will save your time when we will come together in class, in physical class. So, hope you have enjoyed this class. Now, hey, you communicate with your classmates, because I am not getting in touch with many of your classmates. It is not very costly also. If you will put 100 rupees data package and you will use only for attending virtual class and live class, it will last for many days. So you try in search in Google, NTC data pack, Encel data pack. There is third mobile company also. Which one is that? Smart.
Smart.
Smart is providing, I think, 40 GB for 1 month in 250 rupees. That will be more than sufficient for 1 month. Okay. So now I'll end this class here. I have to join now class 9 also. So till next live class. Bye. And I will try to post these solutions and the video of this class in virtual class also. So those who have missed in live class, they can join in virtual class also. Thank you very much and bye for today.
Bye bye, sir.
Thanks.
Bye.